serious? You serious? Okay, so we're doing the masking right now. A little masking. Come this way. It's a little dark in here. Don't mind the darkness. Y'all gonna have better lighting tomorrow or something. Y'all already like doing the doors and the windows. I already showed y'all the paint earlier. But alright, man, as y'all can see, it's a whole nother day in this bitch. Last time y'all saw a nigga, it was nighttime. Anyways, shoes off in the office. Done. He done. As y'all see, front windshield done. Hinges done pulled up. Windows done. I took the damn plastic and pulled that bitch all the way through. I should have showed y'all a little tutorial of the masking, but that's a lot at hand. Y'all want a nigga to do that, let me know another time. As they're done, the spoiler got to come off. So that way, you can get all of that trunk. Take that spoiler off of there. Stop leaving that spoiler on there. Get all that. Windows. Y'all seen all this last night, but he almost done. I already showed y'all the paint. Make sure y'all get up under that hood too. When y'all be doing that plastic, y'all don't be getting up under that hood. Make sure y'all get up under that goddamn hood. Y'all see that plastic all up on there? Go through there and all up and through there.
That should be straight. Let me see that.
She already got people hitting her DMs to how much.
Yeah, talking about some me next.
I don't want to hear that
You taking it?
What percent I'm on that battery? 80.
You didn't even finish this damn side.
What?
This damn finish.
Oh, I forgot. I forgot because I left, bro. My bad. That's damn right. Got dress masking up. Pop that can on that avalanche. Mix that bitch up, Drix.
I think I already got some purple in it.
Alright, that what it looked like.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why they got them switched it, like. My damn thick one in my trunk. I gotta make sure the wind don't goddamn blow that bitch.
Oh, and then I have
Hold that.
You gotta take a picture of me for my
Come on. Should be alright. The wind ain't blowing that damn hard. Move you right here.
They cover the damn filter shit?
What that? Yeah.
What's the screen over there?
They over there somewhere. I took it out the box.
I ain't talking about the shit that came with the gun.
I know. It's one of the filter for the paint.
Yeah.
It's over there somewhere.
Oh, this is the damn yellow bag.
Unless I damn, I ain't leave it in the trunk. All right. Now just hold that right there.
I feel like I got a gas mask on. I was worn this since basic training.
Yeah, put your little earring too.
What the fuck? Hold on, take it over. I don't know what the fuck this nigga did.
Nigga tripping.
Why the fuck is this shit so damn tight? Okay, that's why. Cause you put it.
I was trying to make it tight.
That's why. This nigga done did all that damn shit.
Niggas want to complain about my work. Fuck 'em. Nah. We getting there now. We is getting there. Can y'all hear me? Chat, can y'all hear me? We getting there. We getting colder in the prime. We was getting there. We was getting there.
You serious?
It's starting to be gray. I say it's starting to be gray. The gray and orange got down look tough. I had to switch to the phone, man, because my camera got down the ray car. A bit battery on a little life or whatever. Man, it's windy out here. As y'all can see, man. I'll show y'all a little bit. He coming along, he coming along. No, that ain't white, it's gray. My base coat almost done. We almost done for the base coat. The purple gonna look good on there. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. After a long night of grinding, I ain't gonna say a long night because it ain't too late. After a long day of getting shit done, putting this motherfucking mask to work. Y'all finna see the final results. When we put it up under that gas station light. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no better light than that gas station light.
Ain't no better light than that gas station light.
Ain't no better light than that gas station light, bro. I had to go buy a new goddamn gun because one of them was damn clogged up, jammed. But we made it do what it do. Let's see what it look like in the light. Good Lord, that bitch pretty. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Yes, she is.
That's it.
Okay. Looking all clean and sharp. Waiting for them stickers to come in. Looking all clean and sharp, waiting for them stickers to come in. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Still gotta get that gas station vid though. At the garage looking like a damn paint booth. The garage looking like a paint booth, bro. The results are in. The results are in. Results are in. The results are in. Job well done. Quick job well done, if I may say so myself. Ooh, shit. Y'all, I'm looking at my license plate. My God. My God. That's the door open shit you wanted to do? Appreciate y'all boys tuning in, man. We do a lot of things over here. Might car wrap a video, might travel. I might be feeding a horse on the next trip. Who knows? I don't know. I'm out.